Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make fried eggs easy method. Start by heating a non-stick pan over medium heat and add a small pat of butter or oil. Crack eggs gently, season with salt and pepper, and cook until whites set and yolks reach your desired firmness. Use a lid for faster top cooking or flip for over easy. Then serve immediately with toast, herbs, or hot sauce for extra flavor. A gentle, steady heat gives the best results, so keep your pan at medium and resist the urge to blast it with high heat. Time your eggs based on how you like the yolk, 2 to 3 minutes for runny and about 4 minutes for firm. Use a lid for quick top cooking, and tilt the pan or baste with butter for even whites and a glossy finish. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy kitchen tips. Quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum cleans up crumbs and spills with smart mapping and voice control, so you can focus on cooking instead of sweeping. It's a neat upgrade for busy kitchens and small messes. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Keep the flavors simple and bright by seasoning immediately, adding fresh herbs, or finishing with a tiny splash of vinegar or hot sauce. Consider lemon zest or grated cheese for a flavor boost. Serve your eggs on toast, a quick salad, or over warm rice to create a satisfying meal. Plate right away to enjoy the texture contrast between crisp edges and tender yolks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.